everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to share unlisted YouTube playlists. So if you also want to share unlisted YouTube playlists, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is open the playlist that you want to share. Simply open any browser of your choice. After that, click on the search bar and type in youtube.com. After that, YouTube will be opened. Now click on the playlist that you want to share. You can see over here, I've already opened the playlist. Now if you click on the share option that you can see right over here, only this video will be shared. So if you want to share the entire playlist, what you have to do is look at the search bar. Here you'll be able to see the URL. All you have to do is click on it. You can see over here the entire link will be selected. Now what you have to do is copy this link and share it to the person to whom you want to share the playlist. Simply press Ctrl C on your keyboard. Now share this link with the person to whom you want to share the playlist. Whenever they'll open the link, you can see over here the playlist will be opened. So that is how you share unlisted YouTube playlists. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.